Rise and shine, it's the morning routine, and you've gone to bed with clean skin that has moisture on it. I personally don't like messing a lot with it, but I will take a very little bit of the cleanser and I will do it just to make sure, because what happens sometimes is the blue methylene mask will actually sit there and you'll see a little bit, and you don't need to go to work with blue on. It's not a good look. So we're going to do our gentle, and we don't have to worry about our makeup because we took it off the night before. Don't go, you age 7 years every night that you go to bed with your makeup on. It's a crazy statistic, but it's so crazy. So don't go to bed with your makeup on, so that when you wake up, your skin feels nice and refreshed. So don't forget to put a little bit of water with your cleanser, and you're going to spread it around, get your blue methylene mask off, and makes your skin feel super nice and refreshed for the morning wake up time. And again, not too hot with your towel. Some people just love hot, and it feels good, but you really want lukewarm, especially if you have capillaries that are on the surface and that you can see. A lot of people do have those capillaries, and the hot that you have makes it look actually worse, so you don't want it too hot. Next, we're ready for our Glow Toner Serum, and spritz all over. Don't skip this step, because these two steps, the cleanser and the toner, are preparing your skin for holding in moisture and the glow for the rest of the day. And next we're going to have our Everything Lift Serum, and it is one of those little miracles of having the skin look younger than your real age. And so you take it and you're going to put it over up your neck. I didn't wait a long time for the toner to dissipate and soak into the skin, and I just went ahead because I really like the moist feeling. It almost feels like I have a nice moisture mask on for the morning before I put makeup on. And my last step is the Fountain of Firm cream, and again, that boosters, ceramides, peptides. It has so many different messengers to fine lines and wrinkles, to redness, to capillaries, to everything that we don't like about our skin as we age, to help it look refreshed and glowing. And there you are for your morning routine. Now you can do this and then go get dressed for the day, and then come back and put on a little bit of makeup, because you don't really need that much, because once you get your skin in great shape, you don't need as much makeup, and it looks like very refreshed and almost glassy.